Hi guys and welcome to the video of the Health Spot. In this video I want to share with you some wonderful benefits of neem oil. Neem oil is very beneficial for our health. It is used in the prevention of many diseases. Just as the use of neem oil is beneficial for our health, in the same way, using this oil can improve your beauty. However, many people do not know about the benefits of this oil. With this easy-to-use oil, you can enhance your beauty. Let's know about the benefits of this oil. Number 1. Prevent signs of aging. The antioxidants present in neem oil prevent signs of aging and keep the skin young. Massage the face and throat with neem oil twice a week for 10 minutes to prevent signs of aging. By doing this regularly, your skin will not get old quickly and you will look younger. Number 2. To prevent hair loss. Put 4 to 4 drops of neem oil in both the nostrils regularly for 1 month. Along with this, drink milk regularly in food. By doing this, hair loss stops and the hair becomes strong and thick. Number 3. To get rid of acne.
The anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents found in neem help in reducing acne.
The antibacterial properties found in neem eliminate acne-causing bacteria on the skin. Applying neem oil on pimples also reduces redness and swelling of pimples. Number 4. To enhance the beauty of the skin. Neem oil contains a sufficient amount of vitamin E and fatty acids which enhances the beauty of our skin. Especially in winter, after bathing, mix 1 part of neem oil with 2 parts of coconut oil and apply it on the whole body. By doing this your skin will become soft and beautiful. Number 5. For the health of eyebrows and eyelids. According to researches, people who apply neem oil on their faces, their eyebrows and eyelids also become healthy. Neem oil also cleanses open pores, so you can use neem oil as a makeup remover. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.